Good morning, students. So, tell me what we are going to write today. We are going to write meanings of lesson number 1, red sloppy lips. What we have completed in the previous video? क्या complete किया था? Hard words. Okay. So, today we will write meanings. Okay. In our lesson we have learnt many different words. हमें उनके meanings पता थे क्या? No. So, we will write the word and their meanings. What to do? Draw a star mark. Write meanings. Number 1, dinghy. Dinghy, dark and dirty. Dinghy का मतलब क्या है? Dark and dirty. Number 2, porch. A small area at the entrance to a building. So, what is the meaning of porch? A small area at the entrance to a building. Remember, you have to put I dots, T dash सब बराबर से लगाना है. Number 3, abandoned, left and no longer wanted or used. Abandoned का मतलब क्या है कि कोई चीज़ को हमने छोड़ दिया या फिर हम यूज़ नहीं करते. Left and no longer wanted or used. Next, sloppy. What is the meaning of sloppy? Loose and rather shapeless. किसी shapeless चीज़ को या कोई shapeless thing को what do we say? Sloppy. Next, fangs. क्या है ये word? Fangs. Two long sharp teeth at the front of the mouth of some animals. What are fangs? जैसे two sharp teeth, two long sharp teeth होते हैं ना. You have seen in cartoons also, or you can see on the Discovery channels also. Snakes को fangs होते हैं. Then अदर वाइल्ड एनिमल्स को भी ऐसे सामने जो टीथ होते हैं ना, लॉन्ग लॉन्ग पॉइंटेड टीथ, दोज आर कॉल्ड एज फैंग्स. वंस अगेन, DINGY, डिंगी. DARK, डार्क. AND, DIRTY, डर्टी. डिंगी, डार्क एंड डर्टी. नंबर 2, porch. PORCH, porch. SMALL, small. AREA, area. AT, at. THE, a small area at the. ENTRANCE, entrance. TO2, a building. BUILDING, building. What is the meaning of porch? A small area at the entrance to a building. Number 3, abandoned. ABANDONED, abandon. Left, LEFT, left and no longer, NOLONGER, no longer. WANTED, wanted. OR or USED, used. Abandoned, left and no longer wanted or used. Number 4, sloppy. SLOPPITY, sloppy. What is the meaning of sloppy? Loose. LOOSE, loose. And RATHER, rather. Shapeless. SHAPELESS, shapeless. Sloppy, loose and rather shapeless. Fangs. FANGS, fangs. क्या है fangs का meaning? TWO2 LONG, long. SHARP, sharp. TEETH, teeth. AT, THE, FRONT, front. OF, off. THE, MOUTH, mouth. OF, off. SOME, some. ANIMALS, animals. Two long sharp teeth at the front of the mouth of some animals. Students, turn your page. Continue. Let's continue. Number 6, gangly. Gangly का मतलब क्या है? Tall, thin and awkward in movements. What do you mean by gangly? Tall, thin and awkward in movements. Number 7, panicked. Panicked का मतलब suddenly felt frightened. अचानक से डर गए, है कि नहीं? What is the meaning of panic? Suddenly felt frightened. Repeat after me. Gangly, gangly. Tall, tall. Thin, thin. And, awkward, awkward. Movements, movements. Gangly, tall, thin and awkward in movements. Number 7. Panicked, panicked, panicked. suddenly, suddenly. felt, frighttened, frightened. Panicked, suddenly felt frightened. So kids, you have to complete this meaning of our English lesson number 1, red sloppy lips. ये रेड स्लॉप्टी लिप्स के मीनिंग्स कहाँ लिखेंगे? इंग्लिश CW बुक में. ओके, यू हैव टू राइट दिस इन इंग्लिश CW बुक 1 टाइम. Write it carefully, properly in your beautiful handwriting on lines. Read along with the video. Okay, bye bye.